In this video, we're going to take a look at how you can quickly add custom web fonts to your email campaign ready to use. So first off, let's click on the settings menu. So in this scenario, perhaps we want to add a custom font to our heading 1 over here. So here's our heading 1 block. All we need to do is open the font menu, scroll down to the bottom, and you'll see your custom fonts. Now we just need to click on the plus button to start adding our own custom font. It's recommended to use Google custom fonts, as these are all free and easy to use. So let's hop over to Google Fonts and select a custom font. Okay, so in this situation, maybe you want to use Color. So we just click on it inside Google, and now we click on Get Font, and click on Get Embed Code. Okay, when you're presented with the embed code, be sure to click on @Import. This method offers the best support in email browsers. You'll be given 2 bits of information, and it's just a case of copying and pasting these into your email blaster campaign. So let's click on Copy Code on the first section, hop back over to Email Blaster, and we paste this in here. Now let's grab the second bit. Copy code, back to Email Blaster, and paste in. Now we just need to click on Add Font. Okay, there we go, there's Carla installed, and our heading's been automatically updated to start using the custom font.